Hello, welcome back. So today I'm going to build the Lego Friends 2025 set Puppy Playground. So this looks very cute. So let's see what's inside. We got lots of pink slides and I've changed the background into pink color and I think pink looks very nice. So we have 2 guidebooks in this set and also 2 pink slides and 2 bags of Lego and also a green Legoland. So for the dolls, first we have Alia. So it's not new clothes actually, it's just the clothes that we already know. And I think it looks very nice. Her little sandal looks very cute too. So this is Sarah. She was also included in the restaurant and cooking school set and also like the Lego Friends water park set. So this is how she looks like. I love her top. I think it looks super nice. So we have two dolls and 3 puppies. So first, this is Dango and some dog biscuits, and there are also 2 other puppies. So we also have a new puppy. Her name is Maple and also Aira. So Aira is Alia's puppy. So now these are all the dolls included in this set. We have 2 dolls and 3 puppies and also a yarn for them to play with, and also like dog biscuits and also like a little poop as well. So now let's start building this little playground. So I saw like this video. It was like this, I think it was like this teaser video of like Lego Friends animation season 4, and there was this bus. I think they are using it for like sort of like transportation, and it seemed as if it was like kind of like a set with a Lego Friends clubhouse set. So maybe there's going to be a Lego Friends like this friendship bus set this summer, maybe. I think that's gonna be very good because you know there were also like some emergency like these screens in the clubhouse set, so probably they're going to like go around Heart Lake City helping people maybe. So that's why they need some transportation. I think the old Lego Friends also had like their own bus or van or something like that. So let's make the stairs now. Pink stairs. So cute, right? I totally love it. And the big like dog bone shape on the top looks really nice too. So now this is the end of the building already. So I think it looks super cute. Like look at all those colors, like those like round slide thing also looks very nice, and it's gonna be very good for the puppies, like a good exercise. And there was also this like unicorn dream cafe set in the animation, and it looked so cute. Like in the Lego there was only like a single, like just one unicorn doll, but in the animation there are so many unicorn dolls and it was so cute. And it's coming out soon. Like I think it was coming out on like April something, and I can't wait to watch the animation. So anyway, now let's start playing with this set. Okay, so now Sarah is helping the puppies play in the playground. Hi Alia, are you here to look after your puppy? Yeah, that's right, and I'll also help you play with the other dogs as well. That's a great idea. Thanks a lot. So now it's time for them to have snacks. So they're going to eat dog biscuits. Oh, they're so cute. I know, so lovely, right? But why is there only like 3, I mean like 2 dog biscuits? Yeah, because I don't know, maybe so that they would like learn how to share. I think they don't really want to learn how to share. But anyway, it seems like they're having a nice meal. Yeah, so after you guys finished eating, it's time for you to digest a little bit. So that means you have to do some exercise. Okay, there you go. Now let's get rid of the tray and now you can start playing around the playground. Oh, well, okay, let me clean this one. Oh, sorry, Alia. That's okay. Okay, so how about this one, Dango? How about this yarn of thread? Oh, okay, you can do it, Dango. You can like balance yourself. I think it's kind of hard because of like the way the shape of his legs. Yeah, I think so. I think he's kind of like too small for it. Yeah, maybe Maple can try. Oh yeah, that's good because Maple's legs are like much bigger. And I think like Aira's legs are like even smaller than Dango. Yeah, it's gonna be kind of hard. Okay, come on, Maple. Come through this hole. Oh, that's very good. Good girl, Maple. Maple is so nice. Yeah, I know she's a very nice puppy. Whose puppy is it? I don't really know actually. Yeah, Dango is Nova's puppy or is it? No, I think it's like Zach's puppy. Yeah, I think so. I never saw Dango with Zach in the animation, but I think Dango is Zach's dog. Yeah, I'm pretty sure. So they're having such a nice time playing in this playground. And there's also a dog bone next to the round slide. So maybe that's why there was only 2 dog biscuits so that like one of them can eat like dog bones. Maybe. Yeah, Dango will try again. Yeah, I think you can manage this time, Dango. Yeah, but I think like because of the way of his legs, yeah, it's gonna be kind of hard because like it's so small. Yeah. But anyway, this is the end of the playing, and this set is very cute, and I especially love the giant dog bone on the top. And Era and Alia is so cute too, and Maple and Sarah and like all the puppies and the dolls look so cute, and I think it's a very nice, cute set. And the pink round slide one looks nice too, and I think it's my first pink slide. I think I didn't have a pink slide before. I did have like some blue ones and like lots of yellow ones, but the pink one is the first one. So anyway, this is the end of the video. Bye bye.